Recently, a diet has become very popular online, the gelatin diet. Many people are talking about its ability to support weight loss, digestion, and skin health. In this video, we'll explore what the gelatin diet is, how it works, its benefits, possible risks, and how to prepare it safely. Our goal is to give you clear and science-based information so that you can decide whether it's right for you. Gelatin is a protein derived from collagen, usually from animal bones and connective tissues. It contains important amino acids that help repair the gut lining, support joint health, and improve skin elasticity. People use the gelatin diet mainly to increase fullness, reduce cravings, and support overall wellness. Research suggests that gelatin can help increase satiety, improve joint flexibility, and support gut health. For many people, this means eating less naturally without feeling deprived. Although the gelatin diet has many benefits, it is not suitable for everyone. If you have kidney or liver conditions, or if you are on a very low-protein diet, you should speak with a health professional before trying it. Also, gelatin should not replace full, balanced meals. It is a support, not a complete diet. Now let's look at a simple way to prepare gelatin for daily use. You'll need just 3 ingredients: plain gelatin powder, hot water, and optional honey or lemon. Dissolve the gelatin in hot water, let it cool, and consume it before meals for increased satiety. While gelatin helps with fullness and digestion, it does not significantly change how your body burns fat. For long-term weight management, the metabolism, especially the mitochondria, plays a central role. That's why many people combine the gelatin diet with mitolin, a natural formula designed to support mitochondrial energy production. This can make weight loss feel smoother and more stable. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if you want to understand how mitolin supports the metabolism in more detail, watch our full review video. The link is in the description.